Hello guys, today I will show you how to create a Facebook account without any mobile number. First of all, you go to your Facebook account and log out your previous account. Then click on create new account. Get started. Type a first
आपका
name.
पूरा नाम क्या है?
Tap on next. Set your date of birth. Select your gender. Click here on sign up with email. Type your email. Enter your password. Save your login info. Click on I agree. After click on I agree button, you will wait for 1 to 2 minutes.
अपने अकाउंट की तस्दीक करने
Then go to your email account. Check the confirmation code. Copy the code and paste in this icon. Wait some seconds. After creating the account, select the account, select your DP, set your location, skip your home, skip your school, skip your college, company, then click on view your profile, set some privacy, lock your profile. Now your Facebook ID is created without any number. Thanks for watching.